Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the edit page toolbar in Davinci Resolve. So as you can see, I already imported my video and my video is already in the timeline. So the next step right here is going to be editing this video, but before that I think I should take it back so that I can show you how it came about. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is quite simple. I'll basically come and first delete these videos. Alright, so as you can see now, I imported the video. So I'll carry it, then I drag it and drop it down here in the time frame. Okay, so after that, the edit toolbar will basically come and show up here. As you can see, the first option is split. Second one is delete left. Third one is delete right. Fourth one is delete the whole clip. Then the fifth one is freeze. This one is reverse. This one is mirror. Then many more others. So I'm going to be trying out to use one of them. So I think I'll use reverse. Alright. So as you can see, if you play your video like this, let me first reduce the volume a bit. Alright, so if I play the video like this, as you can see, the video is going well. But let's assume I want to freeze it from a given point. What I'm going to do is quite simple. I'll use the freeze option here in the edit toolbar. So I'll tap on that. So at that point, it will be frozen. Okay. So let me take it back and you see how the freeze has worked. Okay. So the video is playing quite well. Okay. So when it reaches at this point, it will freeze. Okay. So now it has frozen. As you can see, it's no longer moving, but it's still writing here. It's still moving. All right. So let's play it again and see. Now it has unfrozen. Okay. So that's how basically you can use the edit toolbar in Davinci Resolve. All right. So guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, we shall meet.